Hello guys, I'm Kunal again, and today, as you can see in the title, I am going to recommend you a face wash which will definitely cure 90% of your pimples. Now, just one or two lines about this product I'm going to say, and not going to too many details, otherwise, the video will become long. So, first of all, let me tell you that if you have cystic acne, like you can see in the pic which I have posted, just see the pic. Yeah. So if you have cystic acne, then in that case, I think first you should visit the doctor, and the doctor will prescribe you certain medicines to cure it. The strongest medicine for acne and pimples, if you are constantly suffering from it, is Isotron 20, or it actually 20 means 20 mg, and your dose your doctor will decide. Okay, so that is the strongest medication, but you have to take this tablet form of medicine only on doctor's prescription. Now, as far as the face wash is concerned, then the face wash is very necessary to, of course, keep your face clean, and secondly, uh, it has to have some, bacteria killing properties in it. Like there are so many brands, I'm from India, so in India there are so many brands which are selling different kind of face washes in 70-80 rupees, and they write in very big fonts on the packet, on the tubes of those face washes, that this face wash will cure your acne forever, it will make your spots go forever. All that is nonsense, I'm telling you. Okay, you should use a medicated face wash and use stuff which is prescribed to you by a doctor, rather than falling for these cheap antics which are done by many social media influencers, because they get paid to promote a certain face wash which might actually in reality be a useless product. Anyway, so as I already discussed before, the tablet which I was taking was Isotron 20. I have discussed that, I will not discuss it again. The face wash which I am talking about is Bravoxyl creamy wash. Okay, now this basically contains benzoyl peroxide 4%. Benzoyl peroxide is a very strong agent. That is why only 4% of it is there. It's basically, in layman's language, it's a chemical, which is added to this face wash, and it has very strong bacterial properties. Any professional person like a doctor will always prescribe you a soap or a face wash which contains benzoyl peroxide, because this has the highest antibacterial properties. As far as your cystic acne is concerned, the cystic acne is mostly caused because of problems which are lying underneath your body. Okay, and no face wash can help it. But as far as non-cystic acne is concerned, and even when you are going under the process of treating your cystic acne also, so to keep your face clean, and to keep it like safe from bacteria, outside bacteria like dust and all, which can further make your pimples worse, your cystic acne worse, to protect from that and also to improve them to some extent, benzoyl peroxide face wash is the best option, and I've been using this brand. Also, I'm using very shiny light today. I've actually installed this bulb today only, and I've switched off the tube light because I want my face to look as clear as it can, in the sense that if there is any spot or any flaw in my face, because I have gone through an acne treatment, okay, so I want you to notice it, so that you can realize that really my face has really, it has said bye bye to acne. Acne has left me, and there is not even a trace of acne on my face, though some, like on the left side of my face there is some dryness. This dry spot has been created, which is actually a side effect of Accutane. So of course I moisturize my face for that, but still, as you can see, I'll just come close to the camera and you can see a close up also. Like the acne is totally gone, and I'm gonna post my before pic. I've posted in the previous video also. I'll post it again. Just take a look, it's gone. It has disappeared. This side also, right? Yeah. And there was acne on the forehead also, it has also gone. So all the acne has disappeared. Why? Because of number one, isotretinoin 20. This you should only take if the doctor prescribes you, because this can have serious side effects. Though I did not suffer from any side effects because my dose is very small. It's only 20 mg. Doctors prescribe 40 also, 60 also, depending on the level, you know, and depending on the extent of your acne. Secondly, benzoyl peroxide face wash. I use this brand, but you can buy any brand. But this brand you will get in any chemist shop or in any pharmacy, and it is medicated, and it is very cheap also. I think it's, what's the price of it? Yeah, it is 139 rupees, and one of these at least lasts you for 1 month. So I think this is great. And thirdly, a moisturizer, which I don't have right now, but you must have heard a number of moisturizers. Moisturizer you can use any, the brand doesn't matter. All are almost the same, all serve the same purpose. So yeah, this face wash is definitely helpful in curing our acne. So before going to the doctor and before taking any strong medication, I would recommend you to buy this and apply this for 1 month, and tell me in the comment section if you feel any difference. Okay, thank you guys. So that's it, and let's see you later.